First of all, we like to thank him. He is a courageous person, definitely, because we know that many lawyers, whoever is coming forward to defend Chinmay Krishna Das, they are being attacked. We saw that due to threat, no lawyer could come to court during his last hearing. So Mr. Ravindra Ghosh is definitely a courageous person, brave person, that he decided to defend Mr. Chinmay Krishna Das. I heard that he already got Wakalatnama signed from him, and he is going to appear in the court on behalf of Chinmay Krishna Das. So we just hope that interim government of Bangladesh will provide enough security to Mr. Ghosh so that he can defend Chinmay Krishna Das in court.
And also we have seen come to international borders, Indo-Bangladesh border, and recently a girl, he also crossed the borders, but the police arrested her and sent him to the home under Juvenile Justice Act. What do you want to say? The condition is so pathetic over there.
One minor girl was arrested by BSF. Her whole family is ISKCON devotees. So both of her parents are now in Bangladesh, and they only told the girl that see, we both are ill now, and we'll be unable to safeguard you, protect you. So better you go to our relatives who are in India, who lives in West Bengal, and then they force her to go to India, fearing for her life. While she was crossing, she was arrested by the BSF. BSF has sent her into juvenile custody, what I know, the juvenile home. So we just want to request the Honorable Home Minister that this case should be treated as a special case, because this minor girl just try to meditate upon her mind status. She has to leave her whole family behind, her own parents, and she is she must be in great agony, because she doesn't know that when again I will see my parents back home. And in that condition, she comes to India, and now she is under custody, not able to meet her relatives here. So this is humble request that as a special case, she should be granted Indian citizenship, and she should be united with her relatives in India.
Yes, Mamata Banerjee. In that program, Shubhendu Adhikari, the leader of opposition, he said that he didn't expect you to be there, and Jagannath temple, which is in Puri, which is among the 4 dham, so it can't be copied.
First of all, Hare Krishna and my pranams to him. But nobody is saying that this Digha is copy of, or same as Puri Dham. Puri Dham is very special. Everybody knows Puri Dham is one of the 4 dhamas. It has completely different status, and everybody loves Jagannath Puri. We all go to Jagannath Puri to have darshan. Same time we know that Jagannath means Lord of the universe, Jagannath. And we see that there are many Jagannath temples all over the world. All over the world we have so many Jagannath temples. So another temple in Digha will only increase the glory of Lord Jagannath, because Lord Jagannath, many temples if we build of Lord Jagannath, that means more people will become Bhakta of Lord Jagannath. So, yeah.